Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a test ride and review of the Engwe L20 2.0. This is a step-through foldable e-bike that comes with a lot of power right out of the box. It has a 750 watt hub motor and a 52 volt battery. We're going to test ride it, review it. Let's get into it. And here we go, the Engwe L20 2.0. Let's take it out on our first test ride and see how it holds up. Man, that thing's got some kick. Holy smoke. I barely touched it, just took off like a rocket. We're gonna take it out here onto some flat ground and pedal this bike like a regular pedal bike and show you what it can do. So let's drop it down into pedal assist level 0. Maybe you can see that. I can see it fine. See if you can see it there on the screen, hopefully. Yeah, and right now, I am pedaling this bike like a regular pedal bike. I'm in gear 6. So let's drop it down to 1. I'll show you how quick my legs can move. This shows you that I can pedal this bike on flat ground and up some inclines because my legs are just going pretty quick there. So on flat ground and up slight inclines, you'll do just fine moving this bike. This bike is doing what it needs to do. Let's go up into gear 2. So I'm in gear 2 going up a slight incline and still pedaling just fine. If you kill your battery and need to pedal this bike, it's good to know that you can do it. And I'm going up this whole incline here, pedaling it just like a regular old pedal bike. All right, let's put it up into gear 7. Come out here to the main road. Make sure we can see behind us just fine. All right, I'm in gear 7, pedal assist level 1. And we're doing 13 miles an hour, 13 miles an hour. Pedal assist level 2. Not feeling much difference there in 2. 3, it just kicks right in. So you're gonna get up to 20 miles per hour with this bike, throttle only. And if you're pedaling it, it'll go quicker. We have some brand new asphalt and some new lines painted in for us over here, so that's great. We're riding the bike the way it is out of the box. We didn't make any changes to it. Let me pull over here and we'll take a look at some of the specs on this bike. The bike comes in 3 colors: sea green, rose pink, and onyx black. The recommended rider height is 5'4" to 6'2". The bike weighs 68.3 pounds. The max payload is 264 pounds. So to power up the display, you're going to press this button here at the bottom. You're going to have a nice colorful display, and it's going to be really easy to control with this big button control pad. If you see here to the left, you're going to have your plus and minus button, which is going to control your pedal assist levels 1 through 5. Increase it and decrease it with the minus. The top right side of the keypad here, you're going to be able to toggle through your tripometer, your odometer, your max miles, your average miles, current miles, and more. The bottom right button is going to control your front headlight and tail lights. If you hold the minus button down, you'll put the bike into a walking mode. And directly to the left side of the keypad is a bell. This mirror we put on just for safety. It didn't come on the bike. The frame of the bike is constructed with 661 aluminum alloy. It's a step-through folding frame. The tires are 20 by 3 inches and they have a nice medium knobby thread on them. This bike has a 750 watt hub motor with 1125 watts at its peak, 75 Newton meters of torque. So you're going to get more power and more distance with this 52 volt 13 amp hour lithium ion battery. You'll fully charge the bike in about 6.5 hours. The max speed is going to be 20 miles per hour throttle only, and you're going to get to 28 miles per hour with pedal assist. Engwe says you're going to get 28 miles of range throttle only mode and 84 miles of range with pedal assist. I'm sure that's going to be on pedal assist level 1 with a light rider on flat ground. Mechanical disc brakes with 180 millimeter rotors, twist throttle, and a 7-speed Shimano thumb shifter. You're going to have adjustable suspension to the front of the bike with lockout. You also get a suspension seat post that flips up to pull the battery out. You can charge the battery on or off the bike. To charge it on the bike, simply flip this latch up and charge it right here. To charge the battery off the bike, flip this latch up, insert your key, turn it, just pull the battery right out. To reinstall the battery, just slide it right back on the track and lock it closed. Simple as that. And the key is required to power the bike on. You're going to have an integrated front headlight with this bike. To the back of the bike, you're going to have tail lights that are also brake lights. And when the lights are off, you'll still have brake lights when you hit the front or rear brake. Included in the bike is the front and rear rack. The bike also comes included with front and rear metal fenders. So not only does the bike fold down, but even your pedals do. You have adjustable handlebars where you can raise or lower them here. To fold the handlebars down, you simply lift up on the safety latch and drop them down just like that. Shimano tourney derailleur with a real heavy duty derailleur guard. Double-sided chain guard. Always nice to see a kickstand to the back of the bike so it doesn't interfere with the pedals when you're backing the bike up. So if there are specs or features that I didn't mention here today that are important to you, check out the Engwe website for more detailed information. Let's go ahead and show you how easy it is to fold this bike down. First thing we'll do is fold our pedals down. Now that the pedals are folded down, we're just going to go ahead and unlatch it just like that and fold it in half just like that. We can even pull up, drop our handlebars. Super simple. We're going to do a 0 to 20 test and see how quick we can get this bike going from 0 to 20. Here we go. Pedal assist level 5. We're doing 10 miles an hour, 15, 17, 19, there's 20. So it looked about 9 seconds to get up to 20 miles per hour. Let's give it another shot here. 5 miles an hour, 15, 18, there's 20. 9 seconds, 0 to 20, that's really good. We're going to do a GPS test here and see how fast this bike is really going. 10, 10, 13, 14, 16, 16, 19, 18, 20, 20. Bike says we're doing 21. GPS says 20. So within 1 mile per hour, that's pretty good. The bike says we're going a little bit quicker than the GPS says we are, but there's no decimal points on the GPS, but there is on the real-time speed. So we're within 1 mile per hour. Let's test out the 5 different pedal assist levels while pedaling and see how this bike does. Here we go. Pedal assist level 1, we're doing 3, 4, 7, 8, 9. In pedal assist level 2, we're doing 10, 11, 12, 13. In 3, we're doing 14, 15, 16. In 4, you can feel it kick in, 18, 19, 20, 21. And in 5, 22, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 28.7, 29. So there you have it. The 5 different pedal assist levels, 1 through 5, while pedaling. This bike has some real power. It has a 750 watt hub motor, and you can tell it has a lot of kick to it. Okay, we're gonna do a brake test. We got some nice brand new asphalt and brand new white lines. And we're gonna hit our brake as soon as we hit this white line where I have my backpack. And each one of these parking spaces is 9 feet. Let's go ahead and give it a shot. Let's go ahead and test it at 20 miles per hour and see how we do here. Here we go. 12, 16, 18, 19, There's 20, and here's our line. Okay. 2 3/4 spots. Let's go ahead again, 20 miles per hour. And 12 miles per hour, 15, 16, 19, there's 20. Okay. Consistently at about 2 3/4 spaces. Let's go ahead and test it at 25 miles per hour, and then we'll see how it breaks there. Here we go, 25 miles per hour, and here we go. 15, 18, 22, 24, there's 25. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 spots. Coming right out of the picture there. So that's gonna wrap it up for our brake test. At the end of the day, it did okay. We could have done better. It's not hydraulic brakes, but it is what it is. Let's go ahead and get a feel for this bike off-road and feel how it does on some dirt paths. We're on some pretty lumpy hard lawn here, doing 18 miles per hour, no problem, throttle only. And I feel like I have a lot of control. We'll come up through here and take a feel of these roots. Yep, for sure we are putting it to the test here. We'll call it the root test. Here we go. Yeah. Wow. That did really good. I mean, I guess this goes to show you, if you have to take this bike off-road for some reason, you can do it no problem. More roots. Yeah. Wow. Let's see how we go up this hill here. I mean, this is a pretty steep hill here. A lot of bikes don't make it up that. That's really good. I can't believe it made it up there that easy. A lot of bikes don't do it that well. This bike has a cadence sensor, so you're not gonna have to pedal that hard to get this bike going. If you're in pedal assist level 0, you won't have any throttle on this bike. As soon as you put it into one of the pedal assist levels, the throttle will kick in and you'll go right up to 20 miles per hour. And if you want to get it quicker, you have to increase your pedal assist level up to 5 and pedal the bike, and that will get you to go quicker. So I'm doing 17 now, 18, still feel the pedals, 19, 20, 21. At about 22, 23 miles an hour, I felt like I was starting to ghost pedal. And you can see that's what's going on here at 26 miles an hour. So this bike goes fast. Some of the things I really like on this bike, I love the fact that you have stock front and rear fenders. They come with the bike. I like the fact that you have a front and rear rack that comes standard on the bike. You know, the display isn't too fancy, but it's color and you can see it well. So really, that's all that matters to me. I really like the 20 by 3 inch tires on this bike as well. I feel like they're perfect for it. 75 Newton meters of torque, I like that. Something else you normally don't see on a foldable e-bike of this size is a 750 watt hub motor and a 52 volt battery. That's huge. This is one fast foldable bike. What would be nice on this bike would be hydraulic disc brakes, maybe rear suspension built in, but you have a suspension seat post and the bike is $700 something right now. So, you know, you're not gonna get all that hydraulic brakes and everything at this price point. At the end of the day, this bike handles well. It's a nice riding bike. I'm impressed with it. For a foldable bike that you can take this thing, fold it down, take it with you somewhere is a great feature to have. So if you're gonna compare this to other foldable e-bikes in its class, this bike is really gonna stand out on top. I think Engwe did it right on this bike. Okay, so that's gonna wrap this one up for the test ride and review of the Engwe L20 2.0. If you're interested in this bike, there'll be links in the description for you to purchase your own. Like always, ride safe, have fun, see ya.